Okay, so now that we have the two layers completed, the next step in solving the Rubik's Cube would be to do the yellow cross. And in order to do the yellow cross, what you would need to do is flip the Rubik's Cube such that the yellow side is now facing up. In other words, you'll have the white side facing down, right? So whenever you complete the two layers, what you'll come across is a few scenarios. The first scenario could be having a yellow dot. There could be an instance where you have a yellow line such that this piece and this piece would be yellow, or you may in fact already have a yellow cross such that these pieces and these pieces would be yellow. There could also be an instance where you may have a yellow L, such that this piece would be yellow, this piece will be yellow, and this piece would be yellow. So it doesn't matter how it would be positioned. It could be like that, or like that, or in fact like that, right? So in order to do the yellow cross, what you would need to do is do something called the face algorithm. And in order to do the face algorithm, what you would need to do is hold the Rubik's Cube such that the yellow is facing up. And it doesn't matter what side you use whenever there's a yellow dot, but I'll hold it from here. And in order to do the face algorithm, what you would need to do is turn the face of the cube once clockwise, the right side up once, the top once clockwise. You bring the right piece back down. You take the top and turn it once counterclockwise, and then you would take the face and turn it once counterclockwise. Okay, so now when you take a look at the top, again, it was originally a yellow dot here, and now what you can see, it is a yellow L, right? And whenever you have a yellow L, the next step would again be the face algorithm, but you'd have to ensure that the L is facing to the right, right? So it'd be like that in that position, right? And then you would do that again, using this side again, and then you would do the face algorithm. So we can repeat that. Take the side, turn it once clockwise, take the right side, bring it up once, take the top, turn it once clockwise, bring the right side down, and then take the top, turn it once counterclockwise, and then you take the face again, and then turn it once counterclockwise. Okay. So now what we have is the yellow line, right? So whenever we have the yellow line, we would position the cube such that the line is going from left to right, right? So when it's going from left to right, it doesn't matter what side you use for the face algorithm. You can use either this side or this side, but just as long as the yellow line is facing left to right. So we can use this side for the face algorithm again. So again, you would take the face of this, turn it once clockwise. The right side, bring it back, bring it up. Take the top, turn it once clockwise. Bring the white piece back down. And then you take the top, turn it once counterclockwise. And then you take the face, and then you turn it once counterclockwise. Right, so now what we have here is the yellow